everyone, I hope this resource is helping you understanding the knowledge of the virus. In chapter 3, we will talk about viral capsid. We know that viral means virus and capsid. We already talked about capsid in previous chapter. That is one of the components that all virus has. We will further talk about the details about the capsid. Capsid is a protein coat that is made of capsomere. So these little components of the capsomeres, as you can see on the right image, the green blocks are capsomere and overall structures are capsid. The capsid has three major functions: protecting the nucleic acid because it functions like a shell. Also, capsid directs or escorts the viral nucleic acid where to go once it gets into the host cell. Lastly, it turns off the immune responses so that their process is not being hindered. Capsid can further divide it into naked or an envelope. First, we will talk about what is common between these two, and we will talk about the differences. And lastly, we will talk about the advantages of the envelope and naked, advantages and disadvantages of the naked and enveloped. As we have talked about in the previous chapter, all virus has nucleic acid and capsid. However, in envelope virus, it has few more things. It has spikes. Not the common one. It has spikes. And it has teguments. I will first explain about spikes. Spikes are the proteins that is produced by host cell on host cell membrane. The function of a spike is to anchor into the host cell. Naked virus also has spikes, but it is very different. So I will first demonstrate it. I will first draw it, and then we'll see what will be the difference between the envelope and naked. So for the naked virus, it has a capsid on it here, and it has a nucleic acid. Envelope has same structure, capsid and nucleic acid, but it has envelope structure outer side of the capsid. And the spikes are located in, this is way too big. The spikes are located in outside of the envelope structure for the envelope virus, and for the naked virus, it is coming from the capsid. So it will be very difficult for the naked virus to have mutation on the spikes because it's integrated into the capsid, while envelope has spikes on its envelope, which is more easily to process the mutation. Another difference that I talked about is teguments. Teguments are located on between capsid and envelope, so it will be around here. So the function of the capsid has to stop the immune responses and keeping the cell from the cell apoptosis, which means cell suicide. Lastly, we will talk about the advantage and disadvantages. Envelope has its advantage point that it can camouflage and difficult for the immune system to detect. However, it also has disadvantages. It is very sensitive and easily damaged from the detergent. Naked virus has more lasting capability outside the host than envelope virus. So this wraps up the chapter 3. Please complete chapter 3 activity and share your answers and thoughts with your classmates. Thank you.